How to obtain antivirus. If you are a student with us at Kansas State University, you can obtain and use antivirus for free. So to obtain the antivirus software, all you have to do is go up here to www.k-state.edu/its/antivirus. And then this page here should load. I will let you know that Trend Micro, this is the antivirus that we're going to install, doesn't really play well with other antivirus softwares. So if you have something like McAfee or Norton's or any other antivirus installed, you may find that your antivirus may not be working at all because the two will conflict with each other. So if you have any other versions of antivirus or firewall software installed, I would definitely uninstall those. If you're running, for example, Norton Security Center, which I believe comes with antivirus software and its own firewall thing, you will definitely need to uninstall all of that stuff before installing Trend Micro. Alright, so once this page loads, the first question it's going to ask you is, what operating system are you? So in our environment, we're in Windows. If you're running a Mac and you want to run Trend Micro on the OS X side, then this is the one that you would pick. And if you have a Linux operating system, you would choose this one here. But in our environment, we're in Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. And then here we have some instructions on what we need to do in order to install antivirus. So the first one, it says, before you can install Trend Micro AV, you will need to remove your current antivirus software. So again, it's letting you know here. It doesn't really tell you why, but the reason why is that Trend doesn't work well with other antivirus softwares. If you have two of them running, what will happen is you basically have no antivirus protection. The second thing that you need to do is to download this installer, which we'll do here in a few minutes. And then the third thing that we'll need to do is run it as an administrator. So I'm going to go up here at the top, and it's warning us down here in the last step. After the brief install process, restart Windows to apply the changes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Trend Micro Installer. And it's asking us for an authentication. Now what we need to put inside of here is our EID account information. This would be the same as our email address. You know, the account that we use to access webmail. So my email address is dac4303 and it's at ksu.edu, but I don't need to put that part in there. And then my password is that. So I'm going to go ahead and click login. And as soon as I do that, I'm prompted with this prompt here to save this to some location. So in my file management system, I'm going to go up here. So I'm saving it to my backup drive. I have a little directory here called X, which I know to back up often. In my software folder, I'm going to create another new folder in here. I'm going to call this Antivirus. And just got to look for it. There it is. I'm going to double click on it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. And down here in the lower left, it says it's going to take about a minute to download. It's about 114 megabytes in size. Once the download is complete, I can go down here towards my lower left, click this little arrow thing here, and then choose Show in Folder. And it shows me where the install downloaded to. If I scroll to the right, I see it's about 116 megabytes in size. So now I'm ready to install.